Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we are back with another unboxing. I'm so used to the hauls that it doesn't roll off the tongue. But nonetheless, we are here to unbox a new paper shredder. This was our purchase via Amazon. So we are going to unbox and showcase the product. I may do a follow-up in terms of actually using it on camera, but yes, you see it's called Bonsaii. Feel free to use the shredder to shred all of your confidential documents. Perfect for office, school, and personal use using paper, credit cards, clips, staples. Wow. Okay. So let's see what else is on the box. Specifications, I guess, in terms of how big. 10 sheet cross-cut paper shredder, 10 sheet shredding, overheating protection system, 5.5 gallon basket, powerful performance, convenient handle design. I have one that was very trusty from Staples, but she is too old and needed a revamp. needed a new one. Bonsaii 10 sheet cross-cut paper shredder, overheating protection system, the large basket with large transparent window. Easy operational with lift and off basket, 1-year warranty for shredder's qualities. So let's unbox this bad boy so y'all can see what the product. Again, it is via Amazon.com, Amazon Prime, and we will be right back. All right, I got a few panels open. As you can see, it's really well guarded. Styrofoam. And there we have its packaging. All right, let's get that plastic off so y'all can really see. Well, y'all, she is a beauty. She assembles. Once you take her out of the packaging, and you can see all the switches: auto, off, reverse, power blue, overheat red. Nice. Comes with a power cord, and it has a clear window so you can see if it's already at max. Comes with an instructional manual. I'm sure there are YouTube videos, but again, I am contemplating doing a how-to myself. And you can see where you can actually drop in the papers and anything else like a credit card, expired credit card, whatnot. This is very good. Risk of fire. Do not use near inflammable liquids or gases. Keep spray cans away from the device. I'm very, very satisfied with how she looks. She is a bit heavy, but nothing too crazy, like a typical shredder. And I think she comes apart easily as well when you need to remove. You know, it has this little pocket right here. I'm just going to connect it real quick, and that is it, y'all. All right, stay tuned. All right, she is plugged in. Never mind all this extra. And yeah. And then, whoa. Wow. That is nice. Very nice. So now we know. And a little blue light goes on. Kind of tempted to just just to see the power, the strength. Okay, should I get a scrap of paper? Hold on a second. All right, I'm trying this on camera. Just a blank piece of paper. Let's see. Oh boy. Ooh. And there you go. There you go. It's going on. There you have it, y'all. There you have it, folks. Very nice. Oh. Yes. Sorry, I did not realize my camera was still going. Anyway, there is a handle. There's a handle. Wow, and you see it. Oh, I should have taken that styrofoam off. But yes, there's a handle. Wow. I'm very impressed. Sorry, my video was a little clunky. I'm not going to try to reshoot it because I think it was a genuine response to it. But yes, wow. And never mind the styrofoam, that doesn't have to stay there. Just wanted to test it out to see its power uh, capability. And the handle is the best part. Oh my God. That'll come in handy when you need to trash and whatnot and don't have to constantly lift. Wow. Very impressed. This is Bonsaii, like I mentioned. Bonsaii Paper Shredder C209-D Instructional Manual 10 sheet crosscut shredder. I recommend it, y'all. I might still do a how-to, but nonetheless, if you want to see my other unboxing videos, I will link them somewhere in the video or in the description box. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, leave us a comment down below. Is this something you would be interested in buying this Christmas season for office purposes, or just again if you for other purposes as well? Is this a great gift idea? I think so. This is available on Amazon.com or Amazon Prime. Please stay tuned for other videos on how-tos. Also, if you would like to contribute to my GoFundMe, I will link all the information, and everything is in the description once you hit the link. So yes, please stay tuned. If you like to follow me here on YouTube, please hit the subscription button and the notification button for my next DIY haul, review, and unboxing. And if you like these videos, again, please feel free to comment down below. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl. Bye.